A tornado-warned Supercell in southern Oklahoma put on a remarkable light show on April 28th, displaying the impressive structure of the severe storm. The expansive shelf cloud and anvil of the storm became distinctly visible as the lightning illuminated the night sky. Texas storm chaser Chad Casey captured the dramatic event in a time-lapse video using a drone. The storm was part of a widespread system that stretched over 3,000 kilometers from Texas to New York. It eventually tracked north, producing the severe weather that brought damaging winds to parts of southern Ontario on April 29th.